We've got another package here. We've got two packages. I don't know what they are, so I'm just going to unbox them. I'm not in my room, so I'll just put these down right here. So I don't know. Unboxing knife. Lemon and one man. So I'll open this one first. I think it's yes. Yep, so it's Premier lighter fluid. Zippo stuff, so I'm going to try this out and get some of the actual Zippo stuff. This, because there's two different kinds on Amazon, and these were like £2 odd, so try these out and see what they're like compared to the other ones. Okay, let's get to the other one. This is just going to be a quick unboxing. I don't know what this one is. What do you mean? So yeah, this is what I got to the, how many bits is it? 32 piece security drive set. I've got Torx, T-bits and that. I've got a couple of Torx bits, but I didn't have the right size, so yeah, just that. And some lighter fluid. That was just a small quick unboxing. Yeah, comment, rate and subscribe.